Hi everyone, we're now looking at the month of September and what does it have in store for you if you come under the zodiac sign of Scorpios. Now, for you Scorpios, from the career and the business perspective, this is a pretty promising month for you. It does look like you've been working really hard in all the months now, and this has really paid off because your colleagues, your seniors, and your bosses are now recognizing all your hard works. And now you have been putting forward, for promotions, for growths, for all the goods coming your way now, and everyone is supporting you to take that forward. Do not forget any pending activities or any task on your plate would definitely need to be cleared, and take anything new that is coming your way. Any kind of travel proposals that come your way in regards to your business or your careers would be really profitable for you this month. Yes, with your seniors and your bosses, do avoid any kind of arguments or confrontations, and do not spoil all the good that is coming your way, because it's bringing you a lot of career progressions. It's bringing you a lot of growth and promotions now going forward. So just focus on that and keep the positive mindset going. From the perspective of your finances, it is a pretty good stable month as well. Towards the second half of the month, you do see your profits and your gains coming in as well. So do plan for that as well and save. That is important for you to start saving as well. From the health perspective, it does look like you've been having some small little ailments playing up and you've been neglecting that. So this is not the month to neglect any health issues. Go ahead and address that. You do have some issues happening around the stomach region, any kind of indigestion issues you're having, stomach related issues, intestinal issues need to be addressed. Any kind of skin related issues are also playing up. So go ahead and check all these small little things that have been playing up for quite some time. It's important that you focus on your health from the month of September onwards. From the relationship perspective, your relationships are pretty good this month. It is building and cementing. I do see you've taken out time for family and for friends. Go ahead, invest some time, especially for the children as well. Go ahead and build on your relationships and give that time. For a remedy for all you Scorpions this month, it is important that you take out some time for family, maybe some family functions, some prayers, some meditation. And it is even important that this month you do some small donations in whatever way that you can. It could be food, it could be clothing, it could be to the poor and the needy, or to little small children. But try and focus on that as well. And yes, like I said, your health is of also concern. So start planning that. Plan healthy diets, plan good diets, okay, and take out a good balance between your sleep and your rest as well. I do hope all these remedies are useful. Do not forget to share this with your family and your friends. Thank you so much for being a part of Avenues, and thank you so much for all the support.